Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake with cream cheese. First, let's create the perfect foundation for our delicious dessert. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Combine these ingredients thoroughly, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure it extends slightly up the sides for a nice edge. Bake this crust for 10 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit to set it perfectly. Now for the star of the show, the rich cream cheese filling. Start by beating 4 8-ounce blocks of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Gradually add 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, mixing until it's just combined. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Finally, beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next to maintain that silky texture. Baking a cheesecake requires a gentle touch to prevent cracks. Carefully pour your luscious cream cheese filling over the cooled, pre-baked crust. To ensure a smooth, even bake, we'll use a water bath. Place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan, then carefully pour hot water into the roasting pan, reaching about 1 inch up the sides of the springform. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes, or until the edges are set and the center jiggles slightly. The cooling process is crucial for a perfect cheesecake. Once baked, turn off your oven and leave the cheesecake inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. This gradual cooling prevents cracking. Then, remove it from the water bath and let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. For the best texture and flavor, chill your cheesecake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Serve it plain or with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries or a delightful fruit compote.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.